Hi parents, welcome back. Thanks for joining us again this week. I'm Katie McCauley, one of Upper Darby's instructional coaches, and today we are going to talk about another wonderful community resource that is right in your backyard. So over the past couple weeks, we've looked at some online websites where we can gain access to text and books to bring reading opportunities into our homes. Now we're going to talk about your local library, Sellers Library, which is located right off of State Road in Upper Darby. By visiting Sellers Library, either in person or online, you're able to obtain a free library card for your child that can be used at any of our local Delaware County libraries. It's a wonderful place for students to go to dive into books, gain access to computers, and do some research. So before we wrap this up, let's take a quick look at the website for Sellers Library. If you come to their homepage here, you are able to apply to get a library card right here. You also have the ability to navigate through this site and see some wonderful features that they have, like upcoming events, their calendar, and even a monthly newsletter that they put out for both students and parents. So when you get a moment, go to the website, check it out, and encourage your child to go on and fill out their card and begin reading.